1952 UFO Stalks, British military jet. The year is 1952. The place, RAF Topcliffe, which is a Royal Air Force station in North Yorkshire, England. A silver disc-shaped UFO followed a British Meteor Jet for a few seconds, then took off at an unnatural speed and disappeared. My take: this incident is really hard to explain away. Qualified military officer observers witnessed something very unusual during great weather and visibility conditions. The craft's maneuvers and acceleration were way beyond any known terrestrial airplanes. In 1952,